To use a Visa gift card on Fortnite for V-Bucks, start by logging into your Epic Games account on your computer or gaming console. Once logged in, navigate to the Fortnite website and click on the Get V-Bucks tab. Select the amount of V-Bucks you want to purchase and choose the payment method as Visa gift card. Enter the gift card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct billing address associated with the gift card. If your gift card has a sufficient balance, the purchase will be successful and the V-Bucks will be added to your account. You can then use these V-Bucks to purchase in-game items and cosmetics. If your gift card balance is insufficient, you will be prompted to add additional funds or use a different payment method. It is essential to note that Visa gift cards may have certain restrictions or limitations, so ensure you check the terms and conditions before making a purchase. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with using a Visa gift card, such as foreign transaction fees or service charges. To avoid any issues, ensure your gift card is activated and has a valid balance before attempting to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily use your Visa gift card to purchase V-Bucks on Fortnite and enjoy the game with your favorite in-game items and cosmetics. Remember to always check the balance and terms of your gift card before making a purchase to avoid any potential issues. Using a Visa gift card is a convenient and secure way to purchase V-Bucks. And by following these guidelines, you can ensure a seamless and enjoyable gaming experience on Fortnite.